Yeah, that don't matter. You got to find the one that says Hand Garden Center. Basically, if you find all the rocks, as many as you can. Hello, YouTube. We are here in Dade City at the Miss Julie's Cafe Boutique.
Yep.
Handcart Garden on Handcart Road. This is fairly new. Bunch of subdivisions are being built behind this.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go check it out, baby. Let's see what they have to offer. Yeah, I used to deliver pizza out of here. I mean, out this way anyway.
Yeah, because the cat school academy is just
and
down
Kiefer Road.
Yeah.
Yep. Look at all those. That's beautiful. That's beautiful too. Ooh, that's nice too. Very succulent. All right, Bibi, look at those right there. And they serve lunch and dinner.
I'm going to do the cranberry pecan chicken salad sandwich.
Which one is that one? Oh wow, they got a guava and cheese pastry. I want to try that.
Right here.
Okay.
Cranberry pecan chicken sandwich or salad. They have a salad. They've got ham and Swiss sandwich.
Chicken, pasta, turkey.
Barbecue pulled pork, Cuban sandwich Tampa style, Cuban sandwich Miami style.
I wonder what the difference is.
I don't know.
All right, I'll do that.
What are you going to do?
The Cuban sandwich.
Tampa or Miami?
I'll do Miami because it's cheaper.
Okay. What do you want to drink?
And I'm going to do a guava cheese pastry if they have one. And then I don't see no coffees. Cafe leche, cafe con leche. I do a cafe con leche. Oh, frappe. I do a caramel frappe.
Okay. There's going to be two of those.
Yeah, some are going to eat it here. And then we're going to come into here when we are done. That looks nice. That looks real nice. Ooh. I wonder what's the difference between Miami and that. Oh, what, did you see the cupcakes? Son of a gun. Those look real good. This will be a little bit longer video, guys.
Start off with the two caramel frappes.
Okay.
I want the cranberry pecan chicken sandwich.
Okay, do you want lettuce and tomato on that?
No.
Okay.
He wants the Miami Cuban
Got it.
and
And the guava cheese. Do you have a guava cheese pastry?
do.
Yeah, give me one of those, please.
Okay.
anything else.
I think that's it.
Okay.
2 caramel frappes, chicken salad sandwich, Miami Cuban, and guava cheese pastry. And that's from you?
Yes, ma'am.
And your name?
Bonnie.
Yeah, this is literally just opened up. I want to say about a month or two ago. Got the sandwich coming, $32 for everything. You live out in Dade City? Don't forget, BB does insurance, health insurance.
Here you go.
Oh, wow.
That's a big.
Well, we can share that. had seen its day.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Want to break it in half?
Oh, yeah, I guess. Oh, it's full of
Wow, and cheese.
Yeah.
That looks real good.
Alright, you can have that big half. Here we go.
Yep, BB does insurance. Go on the Facebook. 65 and older. Anyone who lives in Zephyr Hills, Dade City. She sells health insurance, especially if you're turning 65. If you're just turning 65 or wait for an open enrollment. But BB does insurance. How does that taste?
That's glorious right there.
And if you go to her Facebook page, guys, support her on her Facebook page. She'd love to hear from you. This is nice and warm. Very soft, like a croissant soft.
Yes. You're going to get flakes in the camera. There you go.
That's real good.
Oh, yeah.
It's nice and warm, so I wonder if they warm it up. It's not hot, it's very warm. But you do get a,
Very good.
yeah, you get that cream cheese and the guava flavor.
Plus the butter from the croissant.
That's what I figured. Something had a taste.
Yeah, butter. That's real butter.
Yeah. Because you are getting the taste from the croissant as well. Real good. Real good. Only thing I recommend is add a little bit more of that guava. But they know what they're doing here.
He just loves guava.
I'd still order it again.
He loves guava.
But the bread doesn't overwhelm the guava cheese when you get
it
into
doesn't.
it, and it's very spread out good. So,
Yeah.
all right, and then again, we're gonna walk into that boutique store.
Yeah.
Then they do have a gardening section,
And we're going to check that out as
and
well.
we're gonna, yep, we are gonna check it out.
Because sometimes it's a lot better to buy local than a box store.
Yeah, out here, man, there used to be nothing out here but a garbage site and the academy school.
And a whole lot of land.
Yeah.
Farmland.
When I delivered pizza for Hungry Howie's in Dade City, used to have to drive all the way the hell out here. Used to hate it. When I went to the academy
so
school,
dark.
well, not just that, the academy school. I liked going to the academy school because they would order lunch, big lunch thing. And they would, you know, some would tip, some wouldn't, depending on. But that's why the only reason I hate it is you come out here, you know a person's not going to tip. Driving all the way from Dade City, because you are near Zephyr Hills. You are not far from Elon Boulevard. So. But now there's a bunch of houses out here.
This is the area my youngins grew up in.
Yeah.
A whole lot of woods.
All right, BB, there's your chicken sandwich.
Yes.
Let's see what's in it real quick. Oh, yeah. That looks real good. And then there's my, relax, dude,
No, I wanna
relax.
see.
There goes my Miami Cuban sandwich. There goes our frappe. I wonder what makes it Miami versus here.
Maybe because it doesn't have the tomato and lettuce on it.
Well, usually Cuban sandwiches don't come with lettuce or tomato, to be honest with you.
We have all kinds of versions.
Well, there's
of it
different
here.
versions. Maybe the Tampa one does come with lettuce and tomato. I don't like the lettuce and tomato because it all depends. But you know, like you say, it gets hot, the tomato.
Yeah, and then it gets all mushy.
Yeah. But
You're gonna
nice
have
thick
to,
straws.
Yeah, well, you're gonna need it.
And we both got the same thing, caramel.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
This looks so good.
Let's see.
Cranberries and pecans, chicken. That's good.
Yeah, and I just got the traditional mustard, pickles, ham, cheese. Bread is nice and soft.
This butter too.
Okay. Good? This one smells good too. Wow.
The meat's falling out of it.
Just trying to get a picture, better view of it there. This bread is really nice and soft. They do give you a nice, decent amount here. It's like the bottom's a little hard, but it's not hard. It's like a Cuban sandwich. Hard there. All right, let's see what she tastes like. Oh man. Oh wow.
Are we firing on all points?
Like, if anyone who's ever had a pernil, a Puerto Rican pernil, I know it's probably soaked in mojo,
Yeah.
but this pork is so juicy that it melts. And the mustard added on top of it makes that seasoning. It tastes literally like a Puerto Rican pernil. Like literally a Puerto Rican pernil. It literally tastes like it has sofrito in it. The bread is airy. Perfect little crunch to it, and it's light. But that meat is superb. I mean, it is juicy. It smacks in your mouth. This makes me want to have a pernil. I'm serious. This literally makes me want to have a pernil. I mean, that's what it basically is. It's the pernil meat, but without the skin.
Right.
It's up there with the top Cuban sandwiches. Even though that segunda bread that they put that's really famous, this bread that they're making here is real good. It's real. I think it's better without it. We went to that one place, Alexi's. I wasn't really impressed with that because of the bread, but this really smacked. Take a bite.
How are y'all doing?
Good.
Good, thank
Good. Do
you.
you need a to-go box?
No.
Oh, you're gonna
She
eat it?
wants a bite.
Okay. Oh, I don't want to. It's so good. While I'm here, I'll take your basket.
Oh, thank
All
you,
right,
Rob.
thank you.
You're right about the pork.
I'm telling you, that pork smacks. That's one of the best porks I've ever tasted.
And a Cuban.
I can't say it's the best Cuban I've ever tasted, but it is in the top 3 to 5. It's bumped some people down. You know what I'm saying? It's bumped some people down.
No, it's really good.
Or it's tied with some people. But what I'm just saying is you already know that pork when you bit into it. The first thing you think about is the Puerto Rican penne.
Yep.
Right off the bat.
Yep.
A lot of times when you eat a Cuban sandwich, you know, you get that mojo flavor. But this one here,
That one does taste like a bean.
you're getting like sofrito flavor. And I don't know if they put sofrito in their meat, but
I don't know. Well, they got something going on.
but this is easily top 3, top 5 Cuban sandwiches.
Yeah, that is really good. Mine was too. I haven't had a
I
chicken
wouldn't know.
sandwich like that.
You didn't let me bite it.
No, I didn't. And don't feel bad for not letting you.
And how does it taste besides good?
No, it was really good. It had a lot of the cranberries and the walnuts in it. Nice chunks of chicken. Yeah. And the bread was soft. The bread was nice and airy and light. It looked like it was going to be
Yeah, this
a
bread is
heavy
smack.
bread, and it's not. It's a light bread. Frappes hit the spot too.
I see it, you're killing it.
I'll be wired for sound today.
And you're not getting a freeze from it neither. I mean, that caramel is pretty thick on the bottom there. It is very well blended. You don't get that freeze.
No, you don't.
Other than the caramel, it's just a little bit thick on that bottom there.
I ain't complaining.
No, I'm just saying, you know. It's really good. Ooh. All right, baby, let's check out the boutique store.
Did y'all enjoy your lunch?
Yes.
Such a long time since I had such a good chicken sandwich.
Hi for coming in.
This is from Old Metro Vegan, $18.99. Slushy mixes.
Is that like the ones we bought in Tennessee?
Yeah, you put wine or whatever.
Oh, no.
But this is vegan and gluten free.
Cool.
I didn't know there was a difference between vegan. I'm gonna get the pina coladas.
It's right up my alley.
They got a party pack. Everything here is for sale, dude. Everything here is for sale. Even if it's hanging in the restaurant or what. Yeah, frames and everything. That's $86.99 for that. $89.99 for that. $15.99 for that only. there. These are nice if you got like a country setting. Who knows? You never know. They might have that big wooden spoon here.
See that.
What is that right there? That is a inlay tray for $189. Comes with a spoon, some kind of scoop, and this is some kind of thing for $21.98. I like a cheese kind of. Mud pies. Got some very interesting stuff here. Travel poncho, one size. $78.99. They even got purses. They got some shirts. What's that, like perfume and incenses? Oh, books.
Yeah,
Or
we got
diaries.
Journals, journals.
When you're hanging on, make sure it's the hem of his garment. Oh, they even got dresses. You know, big old mirror there. Yeah, and they got hats. $26.99 a hat. What happened? I think I had $74.99. That's a pretty nice hat.
We only got the men's hats too up there.
Where?
Right.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. I like those little trees that are lit up.
The white ones?
Yeah,
Yeah.
those would look cool inside the house. You get like a corner, you have a big living room. Ah.
Punch bowl.
It's like different kind of perfume or something.
I feel the wildflowers.
Oh, that
perfume
smells
in the
good.
air. Yeah, that does. Flora captures the floral harmony of broom, myrtle, and jasmine that line the hills of. See, I love
That's got like a
jasmine.
Savannah touch there. That's 144. That's nice.
Yeah, these smell marvelous.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
What?
Handcrafted in India.
Sure.
It won't turn around. They show me the price. That's a pretty cool lamp. 218. I like that lamp. Up there too.
That is a cool looking lamp.
That's a cool looking one too.
Yeah.
Look at that farming clothes. Oh wow, look at those cups. Blink up your cup. Holy moly. Those are $54.99. That's not bad if that's hooked up. $84.99. If that's blinged up for that price, $34.99, that's not bad. Because I think the
Well, they
cups,
have all different kinds of them.
but I'm saying I think the cups were just 80 bucks on their own. And these are blinged up. Oh, look at these purses. Or bags. Or
Bags. That's cool.
yeah, candle things that they look like they designed from a local artist. Yeah, I'm telling you, man. If they're selling those cups for those prices, I'm surprised they're not. That's $144.99.
Yeah, they always say they got some of the smaller.
But that's the top of them.
And then they have
You
some
could
of
buy
these.
that separately.
Yeah, and then they have these here.
Yeah.
That comes in a set.
Yeah, that you could buy separately.
Yeah.
But I'm saying if they're giving that cup away, because just that piece alone is $66 to put on there. And that's $39 to put
that's
that one.
really
But
going
here you're
out.
getting a whole cup for $34. Oh no, you're not. The cup is $54, and then you add the piece is $34, so it's separate charges. So it's $69 plus. So they're basically giving you the cup for $24, and they're getting you on the $69.99 for the top part. That's what I was gonna say, because if that was all $60-something, you're getting over that is nice. I like how the lights are set up to it to make it look.
Oh, this is pretty. It's got butterflies engraved in it.
And how much is that?
$60. Oh, that's heavy.
Yeah, don't break it.
Oh, look at that. A butterfly, like,
Oh yeah.
like punch or ice.
114 for that. You gotta keep an eye on it, because then the candle's probably separate price on it.
Like this would
And
be cool
stuff.
with a lit up candle with it. Because it looks like the forest.
Yeah, and the shadow it would give.
Yeah. And then you can hang it.
Yeah.
That would be awesome right there.
Got
All our
more.
bath soaps and stuff like that smell
Yeah.
so good.
All right, and then they got this stuff here, BB. Right here.
Oh yeah, it's over.
Good. How you doing?
All right, let's go check out the garden center. So this is the Julie's Cafe Boutique, and then we're gonna go to the Handcart Gardening Center. And this is the outside. Look at that, it's cool. Oh look, welcome. Everything's for sale here, but that'll fade. That's pretty cool to listen to.
Now that's cool.
And then they got that hand swing in there. That's pretty cool. That swing. And the garden center is right next door. And they got outside eating too on a nice cool day.
Yeah. I like all the furniture though. That one's a swing. I like these because these are up high.
This almost has like the Cracker Barrel
Almost.
look with the sitting in the front.
Yeah.
But I bet you on a nice, gorgeous day, I wonder if they have party or music out here. Who knows what you can do out here. Oh, it's a pretty cool flower pot. And here comes the garden center. Needs to be waxed. Imagine back in the day, guys, driving something like this. This is a Chevy. That's real, like,
That's metal.
yeah, that's going through.
Oh, that's a
Oh, look at that
pretty
base. Oh, it's a water fountain.
Oh, okay. Alright.
I mean, that's only 169 for that. You go, oh wow, look at that. Isn't that butterfly or no?
Yeah,
Or is that what we got in the ground?
that's what but ours is pink. See how they got the
But why is it
orange?
standing up like a tree and ours, the
Because
pink one,
when
doesn't?
you water it right on it and it flattens.
Oh, okay. So I'm watering it wrong. I used to grow these. I remember in school they used to have projects and we used to grow those.
Marigolds.
Yeah, marigolds. That's a mixture of the pink and white. I mean, we got the white ones.
That's like a red and white, yeah.
Yeah.
We have like a pinkish.
Yeah, we have a pink one.
But yeah, the butterflies, all of that.
Yeah.
And the hummingbirds.
Yeah, they have a lot of stuff here to do for gardening. This is their barn, which is next door, and then they got the shed over there. So this definitely makes for a good, nice video, guys. You got your control the weed, magnesium, sulfite, biotone, plant stuff. I don't know. Yeah, this has got to be a bird feeder. But the birds would go inside there, I guess, if it gets low.
Huh.
The squirrels would have a fun day at it.
Oh my god.
Aggie form. Oh, this is that planter. That's pretty cool. You'd have to have a lot of flowers and a lot of watering. That would have been good for our tomatoes because they're hanging. $74.99 for that. That's pretty cool.
The bird bath is pretty cool.
Well, that bird moves,
Oh yeah.
but it's on a rock right now, but it dips from the wind.
Yeah.
And you could see the wings go up and down.
Oh my god, we didn't see the birdhouses.
Oh, wow. Hey, how you doing there? That is awesome. Yeah.
So that's what I call the birdhouse.
Now, is that a bird feeder or a house?
They have a different one here, look.
Suet Plus. I think it's the same one, just different name brand. But that's woodpecker food.
Right, but they have one that has
Uh,
woodpecker blend, nuts and berries, wild birds. But hey, that's way cool.
yeah, are those bird houses?
Yeah.
That's not a feeder, right?
No, that's a bird house.
Is there a price on one of them?
I have no idea. I don't want to touch it.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
But I'm saying this here, I like this because it's got the wings and everything move on it.
Only thing with our house, it did start to fly away.
The hurricane
Literally
season.
fly away.
Let's see what a Studebaker looked like. Easy driving right here, guys. Even smells like an old car.
Man, that's the best smell. Look. Looky, the butterflies.
So they got butterflies in there then. There they are right
Yeah.
there, monarchs. Monarchs.
This is what I want to build.
There's a good idea there. But the crazy thing is that's a strong looking friggin' thing there, plant. Uh-oh, I hear it, but I don't see it. Oh, there they are. Oh, here goes a birdhouse here. It might have a price on it. But this is what I'm talking about, boy. That one we seen at that store.
Dade. That's cool.
Oh, this is only $299 for that.
For how much? Ouch. How much?
$299 for
Wow,
this.
that's not bad.
And that is not bad considering how many birds you can put in there. But the question comes down to, do birds like to stay together?
Yeah, they do. Certain birds will. See, look at these. You got these up here as well.
Oh, yeah. Because I've been told sometimes that if you put you can't put the birdhouses too close because they don't like to stay together. That's made out of real wood there.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's what I've heard. Sometimes I've heard that you can't put the birdhouses together.
Doesn't tell you how
That's why
much
we
they
have
are.
ours separate. Let's see
This
what the
is-
bottom says. There we go. Yeah, that's made out of real wood.
Yeah, it's just leftover cuts from a log.
Yeah. Those are pretty cool flags.
Yeah. Well, there's the American one.
Oh, you got the old cat sleeping back there. Keep the mice away. LED professional lighting. Woo, it's hot right here, boy. It's getting hot. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that thing spins? How much is that? Look at that. That's got a top or something on it. Oh, wow. That, really?
But it's got a light inside.
No, I know that. I'm just saying, like,
And yes, it does spin.
that, man, imagine that spinning. 215. How much is this one here? This is nice. 118 for that. It's crazy because when we were in Alabama, man, them things were like $70. Remember 60,
You
and
didn't
they were
want it.
tall and. Oh boy. Do I regret it not getting it? And they got big trees in the back and everything.
Yeah, they got pots of every shape and size.
I mean, even look at that one that palm tree's in.
Yeah.
That's a pot. That is a pot. Yep, and they must own all that back there. They got a lot of trees back there.
Yeah.
They probably sell. They got a lot of palm trees here.
We're gonna go in here and walk around and see
Yeah,
what
because
they do
this will
got.
take us into the shed, guys. Let's see what we got growing here.
It looks like watermelon.
Isn't that what you got? No, that's not what you got in the
that's
yard.
not what I have.
I know one thing. They got the red bugs here. Because they are biting me. And that's the red bugs that come after the rain.
Avocado.
Really? Avocado chocote. It's a weird avocado tree. How much is that one? Does it say a price?
No, it doesn't.
Cinnamon tree.
There you go.
guava tree.
$137.
Oh, wow. The thing is are they ready to give avocados?
Probably. That's the avocado man. McGill.
What's this here?
I don't know. Looks like a what we call those?
Oh, this is
Loquat.
the loquat.
That's a loquat tree.
And this is the, whatchamacallit?
Papaya.
Yep.
Lemons.
Yep, lemons or lime. That's a honeybell tangelo. Isn't that what we got at the house or not?
It's a honey bell. But that one's $85. That's not bad. That's already got fruit on it.
Yeah. Yeah, the last time we did that, it didn't work out so good. Hopefully ours will make it.
You guys don't have any other dwarf
Oh, those are bananas.
Tomatoes.
Alterum. All right, let's go see what that's pretty cool. Multiple varieties of hibiscus. You want to walk into the Alterum?
Yeah.
These things look so cool. Lemon coral.
Moss roses.
That looks cool too.
That's what I was trying to grow and I couldn't get them to grow by seed.
There's something growing in one of those things. Oh, wow. I'm telling you, they got this area here. Definitely looking good, man. This is probably stuff that can't be in the direct sunlight.
Some of it can, some of it can't. See, like these probably go out because they have the R department.
Yeah, but they're in a cover too. So they're not getting direct sunlight, but
Right.
that's pretty cool. $35 but $99 for the bottom. That's the only thing that stinks, and it's $54 for the top. So every piece here is sold individually. A lot of bananas. That says, I think that's what we might have. I don't know if it's a tiny banana or the Musa. It's kind of hard because there's so many different varieties of bananas out there. Alrighty, let's go to the she shed or the shed. I love the colors. It's a shame they just can't stay like that all year long. Ooh, they even have treasure hunts. One prize per visit a day if you find one of their decorative rocks. Plus a free 1 gallon tank. I wasn't even looking for rocks. Now you got me on a rock hunt. Oh wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
Definitely got us on a rock hunt now. And that's what they look like, lanterns.
That's what caught my eye.
Yeah. That looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
BB,
What?
we get a free prize. Let's see what we get. We got a free prize. Let me see if this is real. I gotta see if this is real. I wonder how many people know that you find this here. Because you don't see it nowhere other than in that one place there. Ain't that some luck, boy? Let's see what God is going to give us. This was luck. Who knows how many we passed? Maybe it was just meant to be. That's another one there, good vibes, but I don't know if this is... Let me go see if this is one of the rock that you find.
Anybody go see? You better walk around the
Because that's too easy to find there. I'm sure it's one per customer because we've already found 3. Oh, okay. Painted rocks, bring all the... Collect the register for a trade for a prize. Find a rock that says Handcart Garden Center and you'll win plus 1 free gallon plant.
Oh, let me go over there and find that one that says be kind.
Yeah, that don't matter. You got to find the one that says Hand Garden Center. Basically, if you find all the rocks, as many as you can, you trade it in, you rocks the register to trade for a prize. 1 prize per visit. But we'll see. Bring that. We'll just see. We'll just see. But if you find the hand-carted one, that's the one that gives you the 1 gallon. Then. All right. So we get a pack of seeds. But if it says handcart, you get a gallon tree. And who knows where they got handcart at. And not many people look at that because there's only one sign that says that.
Yeah.
So unless you come here all the time, you really don't know what you're looking for. And who knows, BB's probably looking for one to get that 1 gallon. Yeah. We got whoop, but not handcart. All right, let's go into the C shed. We can't find that one. Oh, those are plugs. I did that before. All right. Oh, here we go. Zone 9. You want to know? We are in 9. We are in zone 9.
Yes, we are in zone 9.
All right, BB. We did it. Woo, it's getting hot out.
It is. It's starting to blast and hot out.
Yeah.
Have a great day, guys.
All righty. What seeds did you get? What is it? Curly ruffles?
I think it's like a lettuce.
Okay.
I'll look it up.
All right. From Miss Julie's Cafe Boutique and the Handcart Garden Center here in Dade City. Thank you for joining us.
So until the next video, everyone take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.
And come check them out.